Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily skim coat walls by hand, which is a great way for DIYers to apply a skim coat, whether it's after wallpaper removal, a botched drywall or texturing job, or even after just everyday wear and tear. And if you missed the first video of this skim coating video series, where I showed you all the tools needed to mix a skim coat and also how to apply a skim coat using my paint roller trick, I'll leave a link in the description below. Stick around to the end of the video where you'll get a chance to decide what I do next with this wall, whether I'm going to texture it or do a smooth coat. Alright, so I'm going to be doing the third round of skim coating. I'm not going to do the paint roller trick. I'm going to be using my 12-inch drywall taping knife and my 14-inch pan. This is the same skim coat mix that I used for the roll-on, but I'm going to just apply it by hand. So the first thing you want to do is just get it on your knife. Not all the way across, you're going to make a mess. Again. Just getting it up here. I'll smooth it all out once we get it up on the wall. Alright, so I'm just going to do this lower section and then do the top. Putting pressure on the left, which lifts up the right so I don't leave a line. See the line that's on the left side and it's nice and smooth on the right? That's how I'm applying the pressure. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my latest videos. A couple dry areas, I'm just going to hit them real quick. Just spreading it out over any dry spots I see. See how it's kind of dry right in here? I'm just getting some mud on there so when I pull it, it skims right over it. Let me know in the comments below if your walls need a skim coat or what type of drywall project you're working on. Ready? Pressure on the left, lifting on the right. I'll leave a link in the YouTube card above to my How to Skim Coat playlist. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me do next on this wall. I could do a knockdown texture with a hopper and compressor. I could also use a hopper and compressor to spray on an orange peel. I could do a skip trowel texture. I could even do a smooth, slick finish. So let me know in the comments which one sounds good to you. And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.